Hey, welcome to our crib. And Manuel Antonio, man, welcome to the big boys room. The big boy dorm, you feel me? Hey, we got big bucks, you feel me? We out here big balling, so we got a dorm. Let's get it. We finna go to the beach real quick. We just got here. But we finna turn up, you feel me? Nah, but I'm glad to be out here. This is one of the places on my list. And we just crossing out things off our list at this point. We ain't gonna just randomly go to places all the time, you feel me? I'm gonna keep y'all updated. I'm gonna take y'all to the beach probably. So, I'm gonna see y'all there. Bam! I told y'all I was gonna be at the beach next time y'all see me. Y'all see this view? It's beautiful, huh?
This sand is beautiful.
And how do you feel?
I'm feeling very overwhelmed. The sun is killing my eyes right now, and I cannot wait to get into the water.
But it's beautiful, though, right?
It's fucking beautiful.
Mm.
Journalist right there.
How you feel? How you feel?
I'm feeling very happy.
Actually, how you feel, sir? He trying to get his documents.
I'm feeling good right now. This is one of the most beautiful beaches I've been to.
Honestly.
And we ain't even stepped in the water yet.
Honestly, bro. Honestly, this is one of the most beautiful beaches I've been to. This mug actually live. So I don't know how. Hey, I'm in Manuel Antonio right now. We finna actually. I'm feeling good, feeling hood. Hola.
Muy bien, muy bien.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It is hot. Like the sun is just a lot closer here right now.
Oh my goodness.
See my boy, he actually melting right now. It's not sweat. He's
I'm already
melting.
red, bro. We chilling.
But we finna just hop up into this water. If you know me, I hate cold water, but honestly, bro, it's so hot. It's so hot.
It's gonna be standing like right there too.
I really don't care the temperature of the water right now, so we just finna go get it. And yeah, that's it. Hey, bro. This beach is live. This beach is live. However, it's live, I like it, but the waves are halfway deadly. I'm finna show y'all. I just had to come back and show y'all how movie-like, surf perfect these waves are. I swore I seen one of my friends die getting hit by a wave, but she survived. I just had to show y'all. Ooh. I gotta show y'all these waves. Hold up. That's a baby. I wish I caught that one. I swore you died.
Right now?
Huh? Yeah. Yeah, man. Hey, all these boys out here in red, looking like they advertising for a Target commercial. He got on red shorts. Bam. I'm the only one left out, but I do have on I got on like pink shorts, but they could be like.
It's a shade of red.
Yeah, it's a shade of red. You know, like it got washed out. But I gotta show y'all a killer wave before I put up my stuff. When I tell you they just come up.
This water really be pulling you in.
For real. What you doing, sir?
What?
You feeling yourself?
It was at this moment that he knew.
At that moment, you know I know.
I'm gonna do like this, and I'm gonna let y'all see the wave before me, and we gonna hit a wave.
We gonna hit a wave.
So I'm just don't look back, and just let this. Let this. Yup. They getting the country lingo. Hey, look at our view though. Look at our view. This is beautiful. God is real. I promise.
Nope.
Bam. I'm gonna catch a wave. How I'm gonna draw this off? I don't know how to draw it. I don't know how to dry it off.
Oh, here comes the wave. That's what we're gonna hit. Hands up!
to go.
Hey, a few of our friends pulled up, man. Hey, but look at this sunset, though. Look at this. This don't make no sense. Let me get them out of my way. This is beautiful. This is beautiful, man. I know my face probably sandy and all that, but it don't matter. Finna get back in the water real quick. Hopefully this mother not cold, cause it did cool down. The sun ain't as hot no more. But
What's the move?
right there.
Oh.
I don't know if I feel like I'm on Lion King. The sunset just look like Lion King, huh? The sunset remind me of Lion King. What it remind you of?
No, literally, actually, it's literally like.
It's the beginning of Lion King. Is that not the beginning of Lion King? Tell me, how you feeling?
I feel good. A little disappointed I don't have my bathing suit on.
Yeah, she just got here.
But it's fine.
Straight off the bus, but we coming back.
Yeah.
We coming back. She'll be alright. This place is actually really nice. Like, it's just. I think the beach that we went to yesterday here was like on my top 5 list. So I really like it. So today we're gonna go to the national park, whatever. We just had a good time yesterday. We went to the beach and we came back to our hostel, to my hostel, and went to the pool, chilled or whatever. But today we're gonna go to the national park out here, see all the animals, and then go to different beaches. And tomorrow I'm planning on going surfing. Actually, I'll probably pay for that right now. But having a good time, and I will keep y'all updated. Y'all gonna see this park, hopefully. Yeah, y'all will. So we walking down the street to Manuel Antonio. We see us. How you looking? Miami welcome.
Hi.
This man chilling, posing for the picture. We at one of the national parks called Manuel Antonio. We already seen a sloth before we entered the park, so now we're supposed to be seeing a whole bunch more animals, and then it's like other beaches inside or whatever. It's about, I don't know how much of this you in. What's up with it, man?
It was good.
Hey, man.
How you
Feeling good,
today?
feeling hood, man. Feeling good, feeling hood. Yes, you heard me correctly. Repping H-Town wherever I go. But finna have fun at Manuel Antonio. Finna get it, you feel me? Y'all say what's up to my camera, too.
What's up, what's up?
Hey, man. We gotta meet up with our group somewhere, though. On the
I'll
way.
find him somewhere.
Alright, I got an announcement. As y'all can see, I look like I'm sweating quite a bit.
It's $16.
They talking.
Holy cow.
But as y'all can see, I'm sweating quite a bit. I don't even sweat that much if you know me. However, the sun here is just closer than usual. So yes, this is for all the black people. Yes, you need to bring sunblock to Costa Rica, and you gonna use it. The sun just closer, and I didn't use the most sunblock I've used in my whole life. I ain't gotta use as much as certain people. However, you need sunblock. I'm telling you. I don't care how dark you are. I really don't. That's just the announcement I was feeling right now, because it's pretty hot out here. But
It is 91,000 damn degrees.
the sun just closer. I'm just telling y'all. Like, I live in Texas. I've traveled. I experienced some hot suns, but here I can't say it's the worst. But the mug is right here. It's like it's licking you. So that's just if you plan to come at some point. We just. He really just dropping all these leaves on us. He chilling. You see his legs dangling? So you're not gonna look? You just gonna crawl over our heads and not gonna look? Hey! He speaks Spanish. He chilling. Well, we're surrounded by monkeys now. got another announcement or statement. So I respect how Manuel Antonio, y'all could pass. I respect how Manuel Antonio like just created kind of like a simple platform type of trail that doesn't necessarily mess with the environment around it in order for us to be able to like enter into the home of these animals and species and stuff that's out here without necessarily tearing everything down, putting them behind the glass like a zoo does, and so we can just see them like in their natural habitat. Like these monkeys we seeing are actually like living here, like Richie said earlier. These monkeys, it's like their actual home. So I respect how they didn't necessarily mess with the environment too much, but just found a happy medium in order for us to like just walk through and experience where they live. It's a dragonfly or something. I would want to toss something at it. How it was flying, it looked just like a helicopter. You can pass me like a small pebble. Like a small pebble or something. I'll keep this right here.
Oh, I see it. That's nuts, dude. What the hell?
We went straight from monkeys in the park to the beach in a few minutes. Look at that. Ooh. They got rip currents here. We don't know what that is still, but hey, I can swim. That's beautiful. It's a whole dude. He's scratching his leg. He chilling. That's crazy. This man was digging in his ear earlier. He had to get it out of his ear. Hola. Mano chiquitito. Birds out here chilling. Look, they on the tree too. Hey, you might not want to get too close. That's the mama, that's the daddy. Nah, you see the other one? Right there? The dad?
Yeah.
I'm probably the dad.
Probably.
No, wait, let's see if he finna turn this mug on. I need my camera. Well, you take pictures.
Hold on.
And I'm gonna take video. Or, you finna turn it on.
You guys had to turn it on?
Yeah, they turned it on earlier.
Yeah.
How smart.
They just posan.
You steady seeing a whole bunch of monkeys.
Está un mono ahí, no llegó, y aquí estuvo,
I see some bandits over here. The raccoons out here too. It's crazy. Hey, no. He stole them. He stole their bottle. Oh my gosh. That's funny. She finna try to get this bottle from, he dropped it. That is hilarious. I'm up early. Everybody else waking up. Were the ones who's going with me. We're gonna go surfing. It's gonna be my first time that I can remember. I've surfed before, but not I didn't get like lessons or nothing from what I could. So I'm gonna take a surf lesson. I'm gonna be out there. I'm gonna be out there going hard, feeling good. Alright, we just came from surfing with the surf crew. Bam. Bam, bam. And it was pretty interesting. It was pretty interesting. We found out that our surf instructors were gangsters. They was hood essentially. They was beating people up in between lessons, literally. Like we seen them. They literally was jumping people. Like what, jumping? Some dude was drunk at 10 o'clock in the morning and hit one of the surf instructors in the head with a bottle. It sounds crazy, I know. This actually happened. So they beat him up. Somehow, and they all, like, a lot of them left while still able to continue to teach us how to surf. Oh, no, it's still on. Some of them left. And then, about 30 minutes later, maybe, they come back beating up a dude on the beach. Like, they all jumped a dude on the beach. And then they went back to instructing how to surf. So, a very interesting experience. However, I enjoyed myself. It was my first time, like, actually really surfing, like, with an instructor. So I'm basically a pro now, essentially. Nah, but I can surf. I can honestly say that I can surf. You feel me? I can.